Stop. If you're thinking about buying PublishClaw AI, there's something you need to know first. PublishClaw AI claims to replace your entire publishing workflow. No writing, no designing, no hiring, no monthly fees. You give it an idea, it delivers a ready-to-sell publication that looks like it came from a professional agency. And if you grab PublishClaw AI through my link below this video, you'll unlock my exclusive bonus package worth $599, free. What is PublishClaw AI? It's a fully autonomous AI agent that turns any idea, keyword, PDF or URL into a complete digital publication. You can command it directly from Telegram, just send your idea and it handles everything: writing, design, formatting and publishing. It even adds videos, audio, QR codes, clickable CTAs and lead forms automatically. Benefits: why people are interested. Automation: one command, complete publication, no manual work. Profitability: sell to local businesses or on Fiverr, KDP and Etsy for $100 to $1,000 per project. Interactive design: add videos, links and voice narration for engagement. Commercial license: create and sell publications worldwide, keep 100% profit. No monthly fees, pay once, use forever. Inside PublishClaw AI you are getting AI publishing agent, chat and voice control, 100+ done-for-you templates, built-in AI editor and AMP, cover designer, talking publications with voice cloning, interactive flipbook creator, affiliate link integration and commercial license included. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros: automation, writing, design, formatting, publishing and branding in one workflow. Versatility: create publications for almost any niche or industry. Commercial license: freelancers, agencies and marketers can offer services to clients. One-time pricing: no monthly fees during launch. Beginner friendly: no design, coding or publishing skills required. Cons: review needed. AI output should be personalized before publishing. No auto income. Success depends on your work, marketing and consistency. Results: what to expect. PublishClaw AI won't make you rich overnight, but it will help you create professional digital publications faster with less manual work. Affiliate marketers: build lead magnets and promos. Freelancers: deliver brochures, catalogs, menus, magazines. Agencies: add publishing as a client service. Authors: speed up book creation. Entrepreneurs: produce branded content and digital products. Now let's talk about my bonuses. Bonus 1: Digital Publishing Launch Blueprint, $299 value. Step-by-step guide to launch your first publication, find clients and price your services. Bonus 2: Client Acquisition Accelerator, $300 value. AI prompts, outreach templates and lead gen strategies to attract paying clients fast. Total bonus value, $599. Yours free when you get PublishClaw AI through my link today. So is PublishClaw AI actually worth buying? If you want to skip writing, designing and hiring, and start selling professional publications in minutes, then yes, PublishClaw AI is absolutely worth it. So, click the first link in the description to secure PublishClaw AI plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.